So I was watching a podcast where the president of the EFF was talking to DJ Spoo.
Mm-hmm.
And he asked him a question of, do you feel like you were intimidated by Ndlozi?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't think it was clear. His answer wasn't clear. I don't think he even answered it. Ne?
Yeah,
It was very vague.
in his interviews, he's going on like you don't exist, or like he never really wants to.
I don't think he's intimidated. That's my answer. No.
When last did you speak to him?
Last year.
When you guys started,
When they were handing me over the suspension.
So where's the relationship now? Are
I can
guys-
tell you, McG, without a shadow of doubt, progressive revolutions are high calling that stem from a place of love. And there is no cause that requires love than the liberation of Black people. Because Black people are a hated people who have been ostracized, bastardized, and socialized into hating themselves. You couldn't engage in a revolution of liberating them, of humanizing them, without love. And that's really all I have for my brothers and sisters in the EFF.
Even after all the stuff he said about you, I mean, he even took a jab at your wife, right?
You can never choose where the test of your character must come from. There are people who have had worse from their mothers,
oh yeah,
from their brothers, from their sisters. So you can't say, no, only the enemy must test me. Only, you know. The test of your character, of your convictions.
Got you.
Of your ability to stick to a dignified political engagement. You can't determine most of the time where that test must come from.
So he calls you now, he picks up the phone.
I will pick it up.
He says, I just watched Podcast and Chill, biggest podcast in Africa. Love it, by the way.
Shout out.
I'm hearing your side of the story.
Proud of you.
I'm hearing your side of the story. I want to meet, reconcile. Is that something you're open to? And would you go back if that opportunity was handed to you?
No.